Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from FIAMA Canada, and today we're going to be descaling the Jura ENA 8. What you're going to need to descale the Jura ENA 8. Jura descaling tablets, they come in a 3-pack or a 36-pack. You're going to need precisely 500 milliliters of water, and you're going to need one container or receptacle to catch all the spent water. Now before starting a descaling process, if you are using a filter, make sure you remove it. If you don't, the descaling solution will run through it and render it useless, and using it after the fact will make your coffee taste a little bit fun. So always remember to remove your filter before starting a descaling process. Step 1, you're going to hold the P button in the bottom left corner, that stands for program, and then you're going to go to the maintenance menu. Once there, you're going to scroll to page 2 and select decalcify machine. This will begin your process. Now the first thing the machine will ask you to do, as always, is empty your tray. You're going to remove the tray. Even if you've done that just before, remove it, wait 30 seconds, get rid of anything that's in there, and put it back in. Now, you're gonna want to precisely measure out 500 milliliters of water and put 3 square descaling tablets in there and let them dissolve. Your machine will then ask to put the agent in the tank. Again, always 500 ml, you're gonna pour it into your water tank, put your receptacle underneath the central spout, and allow the machine to run through its process. Eventually your machine will ask you to empty the tray, you're gonna take it out and empty it, and then it's gonna ask you to put fresh water. Now, during that step, make sure you take your water tank, give it a good rinse, put your fresh water in, and then put it back in the machine. Once that's done, put the receptacle again, and wait for the process to finish. Thanks for watching how to descale your Jura ENA 8. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at FIAMA_Canada for some fun and cool content, and check out our website www.fiama.ca for all your maintenance products and cleaning supplies.